Allah the hospital, like you said, 8 hours, 12 hours, why is that cleaning his stomach? And he wants to know what it is. I mean, I get a control power with the bara, I get it. All night, you sit, I have a pain in my stomach. Why have a pain? The guy said, the gas go home. Gas control over there. You sit. So the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will ask the man in the street. ये एक मसला है आप आपसे पूछ सकते हो आपकी गाड़ी में टोपी है in a masjid next friend of mine I don't know how they can don't they but you know what they ask something वो कोई मसला से करता है this for him for in a 21st century that would be buttons mashallah forward will come and somebody will answer my answer where just there's a few buttons I've got my answer I you know I went again, I saw this, and I looked at this, three different answers, and I think this is the right one, so therefore I'm going by this one. Because this guy said this, that guy said this, and this alim, mashallah, very big chef, he said this, and I think this is right, I'm going to do this. When it comes to physical body, one opinion, two opinion, three opinion. When it comes to deen, chalta hai, you know what I mean? Whatever, yeah. That is, we not show ihtiyaj, dependency, we don't show need. We should show Allah a need, that I have a need of your deen. This is why Allah Ta'ala gives a blessing, ulama must get with us. Wallah, it is a blessing on the ummah for us that we still have ulama. We still have ulama among us, that we can go and sit and learn from them. There are many places in this world right now, that they don't have ulama. They don't have the luxury. They don't have access. Even if they want to learn, they have no access. They have no imam. They come to a masjid, there's nobody there to lead them, to teach them, to teach them, and they are desperate to find a resource where they can find these things. We just came back from Brazil, 150 masajid, musallas in our country. Ulama, 35 they said. And they're willing to pay anybody in the world to come relocate there. And Allah Ta'ala has given us such a blessing that a person within a mile of your own where you are living, you will find ulama. You can go and learn, but you don't show it yet. You don't show a need. The halqa of ta'aleem, the halqa of ilm, the fadail of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have the halqa within our masjid and we walk away. Ask those people who want to have the halqa and they cannot make any arrangements for it. Who want to have a masjid and they cannot find asbab to reach our masjid. But the masjid, just now, brother, 30 kilometers he cycled. 30 kilometers he cycles to come to Salah. River, Muslim. 30 kilometers. We can't imagine. I asked one of the other, he's mashallah 70, one of the older, his house. He's only very close, just 4 kilometers. And that's not 4 kilometers. I would have around there almost 2 miles. The mile over was 2 miles away. I mean, I was a go on at home. 4 o'clock to Fajr, 11 o'clock Isha. Allah Ta'ala. And he's coming, 70 years old, coming for 5 salah for 4 kilometers. Why? Because they understand that Allah is virtue. They understand the blessing of what Allah has given us. Today we take for granted. We take for granted these halaqat, these gatherings, these things must be done. Our elders say again and again that we must create within ourselves a zeal. We must create within ourselves a zeal, a longing to learn about the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. To learn about the fadail and the masail of the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the right sources. To avoid ourselves from being misguided and taken off the path respective of this. Like the rain now, it brings the dead earth to life. The company of ulama, the company of people of wisdom brings the dead heart to life. Luqman being the seer to himself. That your dead heart will come alive in the company of ulama, in the company of the people of wisdom. Keep their company. Because you will never be without benefit. Even if you sit there quietly in silence, just being in their company, you have benefits. Just sitting there, you have benefits in silence. So we have to take time out of these things. We have to take time out for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. 24 hours of our day goes by. Days and weeks go by. And a person, if you sit down and make hisab, make a bit of muhasibah, each including myself, how many hours a day am I giving to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in my 24 hours? I have X amount of time for my sleep, X amount of time for my food, X amount of time for my gym, X amount of time for my social interaction, X amount of time for that toilet, we call restroom, in some restroom, we go to rest there. We have time for that even. Some people, mashallah, have more time than others. What time do we have for Allah Ta'ala? What time have I allocated on a daily basis? It's not about when I get a chance, as I'm going past, as I'm walking, no respect for this. We have to allocate our time. We have to fix a time portion of our day for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A portion of our day for the house of Allah, for the masjid. We have to do this respect for this. It's not going to happen itself. We have to fix it. This is my time. अब Hafsa will say, जिंदगी के कीमती औकात को ज़ाया होने से बचा लो. That saved the valuable time of his life from being wasted. Being wasted. Sitting in a bus, sitting in a car, going on a journey, these are empty spaces. Fill them with the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Fill them with the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You are sitting with somebody, give them dawat, speak them towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Fill that empty time. Aisha will say, you have prayed your sunnah, you are waiting for salah. The person sitting next to you, speak to him. My brother, how fortunate, how blessed we are. Allah has allowed us to come to his house and we are going to pray salah. What a blessing salah is. Give him dawah towards salah. So you're making every minute, every moment of your life valuable. And only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These things are not for somebody else. This is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because we are seeking Allah's pleasure. We are seeking to make Allah ta'ala happy. Like I said, my brothers, this example of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is that example Allah ta'ala wants from us. His akhlaq, his character, the beauty of his nature. We can't imagine that the dunya cannot give an example as the example of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was sent to this dunya. Such beauty Allah gave in his character and his being, every aspect of his life, whether how he dealt with children, how he dealt with adults, how he dealt with friends, how he dealt with his enemies, every aspect of his life is exemplary. Every part of it, and that's what we need to nurture and give into our lives. We all have a nature. Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala had a nature, Umar had a nature, Uthman had a nature, Ali radiallahu ta'ala had their own nature Allah given. But what was amongst the Sahaba? They tried to mold themselves to nature of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, to the akhlaq and character of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Umar was a man who had anger, but he changed the application of anger towards the experience of Allah ta'ala. He changed where the anger is being applied. Because he learned from Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that anger is not a good thing. He did learn to control it. So he tried to control all the time. And sometimes he would slip up. He his stories. So he would slip up. He make his taqwa. He asked for forgiveness because his nature was still there. But constantly he's making concern. We all have to do the same thing. And my respected brothers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, like I said, this valuable time. Being in the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is a gift and is an honor. But this gift and this honor comes with responsibility. This gift comes with responsibility. This maqam Allah is a maqam Allah it is a maqam last to come, first in the paradise. To be in the neighborhood of the Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam. All of these honors Allah gives ummah. Our amal is increased, our ajr is multiplied, all being in ummah. But why we have responsibility? Allah made us all collectively, man, woman and child, responsible for the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Collectively we are responsible for Allah ta'ala's deen. The preservation of this deen, the establishment of this deen, and the propagation of this deen is all our collective responsibility. According to our capacity to invest ourselves, to invest myself and my time and my energies and my wealth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if Allah ta'ala takes from my wealth, Allah takes from my time, Allah takes from my energy, wallah must make others, Allah's favor upon me. Because I am not worthy, and neither is my wealth worthy, neither is my being worthy. If Allah takes from me what He took from Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam, what He took from His chosen people, His beloved, Allah takes some of that from me. That deen that has all honor, Allah associates with that deen and gives me honor. Allah bin Islam, Umar said, we are honored by association with Islam. And if Allah uses me for His deen, and Allah honors me, it's Allah's favor upon me. I am not doing no favors. I am not doing no favors. People say, we are, you must not decide this something because my brothers, my name is put in somebody's mind that they come knock on my door and say to me, brother, come 4 months, come 40 days. We should thank Allah Ta'ala that Allah put my name in their mind. Allah put my name on a pen that they wrote down. Allah favored me that this happened. Because Allah can put anyone's names. In the city of Birmingham alone, there's 300,000 Muslims. Allah could choose any one of those. In this whole UK, 4 million Muslims, Allah could choose Allah showing me, Allah is giving me an opportunity, my brothers, such a blessing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that I move Allah ta'ala. Like I said, the day of Allah is going to come. Whether I do anything or not, whether we work or not, the day of Allah is coming. No matter what Batil does, no matter what they want to do, what plans they make, this deen is not going to be stopped. This deen has come to dominate, and it will dominate. Allah said to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he was in Makkah al-Mukarramah with a handful of people that I have sent you this deen to dominate over all adyan, all other ways this deen has to dominate. Allah said then, 400 years ago, this is going to happen. But for me to utilize respected brothers, to travel the earth of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah ta'ala's deen, there could be no greater honor, there could be no greater privilege, respected brothers. And in our effort, 4 months and food, they are stepping stones. There's not our targets. Nobody is saying tick a box. It's not a bucket list. I've done 4 months of my bucket list. This is me presenting myself Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, I'm ready to work for your deen. Ya Allah, you take this intention, this timing of making this deal is presenting ourselves to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, I am ready. You take from me. The obstacles I have, Ya Allah, you remove them. The obstacles I have, Ya Allah, you remove them. Because Allah ta'ala is the one who removes obstacles. Allah is the one who brings obstacles. If you are sincere in our heart, respected brothers, if you are sincere in our heart, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will make ways for us. Allah will open the doors for us. And sometimes our heart is an ocean obstacle. This heart of mine, as Abdullah bin Rawaha radiallahu ta'ala said to his own heart, not to his companions. He said to his own heart that you're going to have to come down. You don't want to go? I'm going to make you. To get out his heart, to get his heart. So we ask Allah ta'ala, Allah, this heart of mine that is becoming an obstacle, putting all these doubts in my mind, Allah, you take my heart as well. And Allah, you take these doubts out of my heart. Thousands are moving, Allah, why can't I move? Person from the third world is moving. I am living in the first world. Why can't I move? A man, wife is standing up, both, the husband goes back to Allah Ta'ala. I don't have nothing. You sell your settee, your sofa in the front room, you go spend 4 months. And I don't still have to do that. Why am I not moving? Because Allah Ta'ala has not made us come. This is what my brother is requesting, inshallah. 4 months. Next week is our monthly mashwara, inshallah. 7th of June is our monthly mashwara. From the 7th of June, inshallah, this is representing. There's nobody's going to catch you, nobody's going to catch you. It's the intention. And I'm presenting myself to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yalla, I'm ready, inshallah. Yalla, you take your work, your deen from me, inshallah. So for this, inshallah, 4 months, inshallah. For mine, inshallah. Don't be scared, inshallah. Don't hesitate. Don't be scared, inshallah. And I've said it before, I'll say again. We are going to come up with the doors. We are going to follow. It is sunnah. We're not going to leave you alone after you put your name down. We are going to do this. It is sunnah. We're going to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ask the Sahaba to read their names. He will send somebody when they did not turn up. Go check the right in that form. And if you have other, you have a reason you can't go, no problem. We'll make another date, inshallah. Another month, another date, you start over again, inshallah. Not haraj, but you make intention, inshallah. Come, mashallah. Young and old, inshallah. Young and old. Wherever we go, whichever country you go to, what they say to us? Send us Jamaat. Send us UK Jamaat. Whether you go Europe, whether you go America, North or South, Asia, all the same friends of Jamaat. Allah Ta'ala has given said that they want us to come. They're ready to step back. They say, we're ready to receive you. 4 months. Open hand will receive you. We went to Brazil with 3 cars. We need 1 car for them. They bought 3 as a crown. We said, we bought 1 car. There's no sound way. 3 cars come to collect us for 4 people. Because they're so happy and doing all the way for us. This Allah Ta'ala will give us people are waiting. They are eagerly awaiting us. Come,